You have to dream before your dreams can come true. A dream is not that which you see while sleeping, it is something that does not let you sleep. You should not give up, and we should not allow the problem to defeat us. If you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. I was willing to accept what I couldn't change. All of us do not have equal talent. But, all of us have an equal opportunity to develop our talents. Man needs difficulties in life because they are necessary to enjoy success. Don't take rest after your first victory, because if you fail in second, more lips are waiting to say that your first victory was just luck. Let us sacrifice our today so that our children can have a better tomorrow. I am not handsome, but I can give my hand to someone who needs help. Because beauty is required in the heart, not in face. The best brains of the nation may be found on the last benches of the classroom. Excellence happens not by accident. It is a process. Winners are not those who never fail but those who never quit. 2 rules for a peaceful life: depression in failure should never go to heart, and ego in success should never go to the brain. Luxury and lies have huge maintenance costs. But truth and simplicity are self-maintained without any cost.